Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Bites. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts, turning our dreams into reality. Whether it's landing your dream job, building something of your own, or making an impact, we all have big goals. But how do we take those dreams and make them real? The first step to making your dreams come true? Picture it. Think about what achieving that dream would look like and feel like. Visualization isn't just daydreaming, it's giving yourself a target. As Napoleon Hill said, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. So set aside some time to think about that future version of yourself. Dreams can feel overwhelming if you only see the big picture. So the next step is to break them down into smaller, achievable goals. Let's say your dream is to become a successful graphic designer. What small steps can you take today? It might be improving your skills, building a portfolio, or connecting with professionals. A dream without a plan is just a wish, as they say. So create a roadmap. Here's where things get real. Dreams only become reality when you put in the work, every single day. Even if it's just a small step, take it consistently. 1 hour spent working toward your goal each day can add up to big progress over time. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Turning dreams into reality isn't always easy. You'll face challenges, setbacks, and maybe even doubts. But here's the thing. Each challenge you overcome brings you closer to your dream. Don't be afraid of mistakes. They're part of the process. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. Embrace growth at every stage. Finally, trust yourself. Believing in yourself can make all the difference. You are capable of so much more than you might think, and that inner belief will fuel your journey. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. So be your biggest supporter. Dreams become real when you take consistent, intentional steps. So what's one step you'll take today to get closer to your dream? Comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, actionable tips on self-improvement. Thanks for watching and keep pushing forward with Smart Bites. Smart Bites, quick learning for a better you.